At Pittsburgh State University, we believe in the power of guidance, support, and transformation. Our school counseling, pre-K-12, master's degree program prepares future professionals to become the heart of pre-K-12 schools, guiding academic achievement, career readiness, and emotional wellness. School counselors are uniquely qualified to support students in all aspects of life: academic, social, emotional, and career development. And at Pitt State, we train you to lead that mission. School counselors foster the personal and academic growth of students at all stages of their educational journey.
If you're looking for quality, for good knowledge, for hands-on, for an amazing teachers, this is the place. Pitt State has amazing professors, but also all the curriculum and the classes are built for us to succeed.
They design comprehensive school counseling programs tailored to the unique needs of each school, working hand in hand with administrators, faculty, and the community. Our 48 credit-hour program includes core courses in counseling techniques, group dynamics, diversity, ethics, testing, and more, designed to equip you with the tools to make a lasting difference with full or part-time options. Evening classes, summer offerings, and online Zoom courses for most of our program. We make it possible to pursue your degree on a schedule that works for you without sacrificing quality. Don't have a teaching degree? No problem. You can still pursue your school counseling license through our parallel pathways designed just for you. At Pittsburgh State, we're not just preparing school counselors, we're preparing compassionate leaders and true changemakers. Apply today and begin your journey to becoming a professional school counselor.